Hello, my name is Dr. Robin Kay, and I'm the Dean in the Faculty of Education at Ontario Tech University. And it is my sincere pleasure to welcome you to our open house. We have two exciting but very different programs, and let me tell you a little bit about them. First, we have the Bachelor of Arts in Educational Studies and Digital Technologies. Now that's a pathways or alternative entry program, which means if you have a 2-year college degree, you can take our program and over 2 years earn a 4-year university degree. Now there are two options in this degree: early childhood education and lifelong learning with technology. This program is fully online but synchronous, so we meet face-to-face but online, and you can work part-time or full-time while obtaining this degree. There are a number of future possibilities with this degree, including getting into our teacher education program or our Master of Education program. The second option is our Bachelor of Education degree. Let me tell you a little bit more about that. We are leaders in technology and online learning in Ontario and in Canada. We offer a 16-month program which allows you to graduate 4 months earlier than almost every other program in the province. That means you're on the job market 4 months earlier. If you are successful in our program, you will gain direct entry or guaranteed entry into our Master of Education program. We also emphasize equity, diversity, and inclusion. And finally, we're one of the only programs that offers mental health first aid certification. So please come to our open house and find out how you can start your exciting adventure in the Faculty of Education at Ontario Tech University.